Hey guys! Today I'm going to be sharing with you a essential oil subscription box. If you've been watching my empties recently, you will have noticed that I've been going through a lot of essential oils. We really like to use essential oils at night to diffuse them, and I've been really enjoying those lately. And so recently Simply Earth reached out to me and they wanted me to try out their essential oil box. So Simply Earth is an essential oil company that offers essential oils at a pretty reasonable price, but they also have some really cool things, like they have an essential oil recipe box. They send you 4 essential oils and then some recipes and some items that you can make special items with for about $39 a month. But they also offered me a code. If you use Anya Marie Free as the promo code, you will get the Essential Earth box. You will get the Simply Earth bonus box, which I'm going to show you guys what's in that in just a minute here. And then you get a $20 gift card that you can use on the Simply Earth website that you can use to buy other essential oils. So I wanted to share with you guys what I got in this big bonus box, what came in the September essential recipe box, and then some of the recipes that they showed you. I'm not going to go through and do all the recipes necessarily, but I'll share with you kind of what came in this one so you get an idea of what you could expect if you go through with this essential recipe box. When you order and you use that Anya Marie Free code, you get 2 pieces. So you get the essential recipe box that looks like this. I'll show you guys what's in the September one in just a second. And then you also get this big box here, that's the bonus box. And it's a lot of carrier oils and little containers and things like that so that you can actually make the recipes that they send in the essential oil box. And I think according to the website, they said that they send one of these every 6 months if you stay subscribed to the essential recipe box. So in this, there is a lot of really great, helpful stuff that you can use to create the recipes that they send. So with it, they sent 6 roller ball vials. You can use these for lots of different things. There's one recipe that uses one of these this month that's like a roll-on boo-boo healer type of thing. So they sent 7 of those. I miscounted, 7 of those. They sent 6 of these little vials that have the droppers in them. So some of the recipes have you mix some of the oils that they send in the essential oil box. So this one, I think I have one of these to use for this month. They send coconut oil, so this is a 6-ounce package as a carrier oil. They send their Simply Earth almond oil sweet and coconut fractioned oil. These are both 4 fluid ounces, so these again are carrier oils. And then they sent a little package of 2 ounces of beeswax. All of these you might potentially use as you get your essential recipe box, but they also have some ingredients and things in there that you will use, so you don't necessarily just have to use these. So that stuff comes as the bonus. You don't have to pay for any of that, but then the thing that you do have to pay for would be the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. So this is the September box. They all have different themes to them. This one seems to be kind of a back-to-school fall theme. So the 4 essential oils that came in this month's box are the Simply Earth Citrus, the Simply Earth Tangerine, the Simply Earth Bumps and Boo-Boos, which is supposed to be Hillock Hisrum, Lavender, Tea Tree, and Lemon Essential Oil, and then the Cedarwood. So I am actually really most excited about the Bumps and Boo-Boos. This one smells really good. I like the mixture of oils in there. And then all of these are very nice fall, earthy smells. So these are perfect for this month's box. In it, they also sent this bracelet, which goes with one of the recipes. And then they sent an additional little vial for you to be able to mix some of the essential oils in addition to the ones that you get in the big bonus box. So the recipes that it sent this month was the Fall Fresh Diffuser Blend, which I'm actually really excited about. I think that one's going to be really good, and I'll talk about that one in just a second because that one is one I'll probably use. The Bumps and Boo-Boos Roll-On, which I will probably also use. I tend to get bruises really easily. I feel like this one would be nice. The Jewelry Diffuser Recipe, which I will share with you guys here in just a second. A Calming Sock Bun. So this one has pieces that you might not have, like you need to have a sock so that you can create the sock bun, but they send the oils that you would use to include that. Scented Sensory Rainbow Beans. So again, this would require some things that you don't have, so like the dried white northern beans, which I don't own. And then Calming Natural Play-Doh. So these 2 here, the Calming Natural Play-Doh and the Scented Sensory Rainbow Beans, seem to be more of a back-to-school thing for kiddos. I don't have kids at home, so I'm probably not going to make either of these, but it's cool that they include them. And then on the back of the cards, there's instructions, and some of them talk about the charity that they partner with. So this month they said that they're partnering with Exodus Cry, which is a group that's a nonprofit organization that is working to end human sex trafficking. They partnered with them during this box, which is great. Like I said, sometimes they're going to send the supplies with you for the essential recipe box so that you don't necessarily need to get anything additional. So one of the recipes that they had is the jewelry diffuser recipe. So they sent this little bracelet here that's just like the pull string one. So for the bracelet recipe, basically what they tell you to do is they give you the bracelet here, and then you are supposed to drop essential oils onto the little clay bead. So there's a clay bead here, and then the rest are kind of wooden. So you are supposed to put 3 drops of tangerine essential oil and 3 drops of the Bumps and Boo Boos blend essential oil on here. And then it's supposed to have like a really clear citrusy scent. And so if you wear this and you have the essential oils on, it's supposed to help with clarity of mind. So this one I like because it's nice and neutral. It's got like some pops of color, but this one could go with a lot of things and it would be really cute just to wear with an everyday outfit. So I think I'm excited to do that. I haven't done it yet, but I love the tangerine and the Bumps and Boo Boos blend smells. So I'm excited to do that. And I do think that that would help just be like a clear, really citrusy, fun fall scent. So in this vial here, I'm going to end up mixing the Bumps and Boo Boos oil as well as the cedarwood oil. So these you're just supposed to mix 2 drops of the cedarwood, 2 drops of the Bumps and Bruises, and also 1 drop of the cypress. And then you could do more of that if you wanted to have more of a supply. So I assume it would be like 4 drops of each of these and then 2 drops of this. And then you could put it in your diffuser. You could use it however. I tend to use essential oils in a diffuser most often. And so this one is a really fun, like more musky type scent, which I actually think my husband would really like. So that's what I'll be doing with these, and the blend together is gonna be great. I'm actually really, really excited about that. And then the last recipe that I'm most excited for this month is the Bumps and Boo Boos roll-on. So for this one, you're supposed to take the Bumps and Boo Boos blend. You put in 7 drops of this. You fill the rest of the roller ball. So these roller balls that came in the big bonus box, you would take 7 drops, put it in here, fill the rest of it with a carrier oil like the almond oil that came in the big bonus box. And then you mix it all up, you roll it around, and then you can roll it onto any tiny bumps that you have or any bruises or boo-boos or anything like that. And it's supposed to have healing properties. So that one I'm sure I will use because I get bruises constantly, and I'm sure it'll be just nice to add on and have some of those healing properties attached to it. And then the really nice thing that they do is they send these cute little stickers that you can stick onto the roller balls or the vials and things like that so you know what's going into it. So they have little stickers for like even the calming sock bun, which you probably wouldn't necessarily need a sticker for, but they also have like a little label for the Bumps and Boo Boos roll-on. They have the fall fresh ones. This one I will put on the little dropper vial when I mix that up. And then they do have like little smaller ones. So if you put these into different ones, there's little Boo Boos and Bumps, cypress, cedarwood, and tangerine little stickers. So you just cut these out and then peel off the backing. Then you can put those on your vials so that you know what's in all of your little vials and you don't have all these random unlabeled ones, which I think is just a really nice touch to add to it because otherwise I'm sure I would have a bunch lying around. So they do one of these each month. They do give a preview of next month's box. So next month's box is supposed to be, the October one is supposed to be a Halloween theme, which I am super, super excited about. So for that one, they say that they're going to send stuff for lip balms, like bug repellent, and they're going to include an energy blend, a cinnamon blend, a rosemary blend, and a citrus burst blend. And then they'll also have some stuff for soy candle wax, some candle wicks, and so I'm actually really excited for next month's box. I think that that'll be a great one. This one I think is really nice for fall scents, so if you really like those musky scents, I think this one would be a great one for you. I will leave a link to their website and then a reminder of my promo code down below as well. So if you wanted to use that, you can check it out, and then you get a bonus box, and then you get that $20 gift certificate for their site. I am so pumped to use this one. I hope you guys enjoyed hearing about the Simply Earth box. If you're interested, definitely check them out. I would love to hear your thoughts if you've used them before. Let me know that in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.